Okay guys, so let's now go to our problem number 2, which is our last problem for finding the area. So after nito, punta na tayo sa volume. So magpapaikot na tayo ng ah, function to a certain axis. So magkaka-create ka ng 3-dimensional na. So volume na siya. Diba? So dito kasi area. So kung papansin natin, in a x and pag the-coordinate system kayo, x and y lang. Diba? Ayan, or 2-dimensional. Okay, so problem number 2. Find the area between the curve y squared is equals to x and y squared is equals to 2 minus x. So, parehas na quadratic equation or parehas parabolic. So, pero may clue ka pa rin dyan. So, it's a parabola that is either opening to the right or to the left. Diba? Since y squared na naka-square sa'yo. Okay. So, ito, walang problema to. Kasi ito, vertex nito, origin lang, diba? So, since positive pa, it's a parabola opening to the right. So, ito lang yung medyo kailangan natin pag-isipan ng konti. Okay, so how do we do that? So, we have to convert it into a standard form. So, how do you do that? So, simple lang. Labas mo lang yung negative sign nito eh. Y squared, factor nyo yung negative 1 or negative sign. May iwan sa loob, positive x minus 2. It's already a standard form. Diba? Vertex is at 2, 0. Ayun. Yeah. So, since negative yan, so it's a parabola opens to the right. Okay? Since y squared eh. So, yung vertex mo nasa y-axis. So, it's a parabola that's open to the left. So, ayun. So, pag ginraph natin yan, so plot natin. Simple plot lang. Ang mabilis ang graph lang tayo. Ayan. Ito, emphasize natin sa left side. So, lakayan natin ng konti. So, let's say, ito yan, 0, 0. Say, ito yung 1 mo. This is 2. So, yung unang parabola mo, sa parabola ito, that is, vertex at 0, 0, parabola opens to the right. So, ayan. X siya ko eh. Pag ganun. Yun. Then, you have another parabola, vertex at 2, 0. So, ito yun. Vertex at 2, 0. Open to the left naman. Yeah. So, pag ganyan naman. Yun. Yung. Kita mo? So, meron silang, it creates a point of intersection which is ito. Tsaka ito. Ayan. So, yung point of intersection mo. So, it's a figure, di ba? So, ito yung nabuo mong closed curve. Ayan. Trace natin ulit. Ayan. Ito pa. Ayan. Ayan yung closed curve natin. Ayan. Yun. Ito nyo. Ayan. That's your closed curve with this point of intersections. Okay. So now, since nakuha na natin yan, anong strip ang gagamitin natin? So, lagay natin pala. So, this function, ito yung y squared is equals to x. Ayan natin ng markings. Ayan. Ito naman yung y squared is equals to 2 minus x. Now, so ang tanong, anong strip ang gagamitin natin? Are we going to use a vertical or an horizontal strip? Ayan. So, dito guys, so ang pinakamagandang strip na gamitin ay horizontal. Yung tatanungin mo ko, sir, bakit hindi, kumbaga, pwede naman mag-vertical, pero mahirap. So, kumbaga, pwede ka magkaroon ng inaccuracy. Bakit? Bakit, sir? Pag gumamit ka ng vertical strip dito, magkakaroon ng inaccuracy sa area. So, okay, let's say, sabi ko nga, pinili natin is horizontal. Diba? Bakit kaya, sir, sabi mo na, pag nag-vertical ka, magkakaproblema. Kung papansinin mo, guys, kung i-magnify natin itong part na to, itong points of intersection, let's say, gumamit ka ng microscope. Kasi ito, magnify mo yan. Itong part na to. Ayan. Ayan, isa yan. Ayan siya. Ito yung point of ito yun. Itong point na to, ito yung point na. Ayan. Let's say, gumamit ka ngayon ng vertical. Ano nga pansin nyo, guys? Let's say, use a vertical strip. O, ayan. So, magnify natin to ha. We magnify this part or gumamit tayo ng microscope. Ito na siya. Ayan. So, gumamit ka ngayon ng vertical. So, mapansin mo, yung strip mo ngayon, nahati sa dalawang function. Which is mahirap yan. Kasi agad maaari, yung pipiliin mo na strip, dapat consistent yung function. Diba? Kung mapansin nyo, dito kasi, pag horizontal ka, diba? Consistent yung function mo. Yung nasa left mo, ito pa rin, diba? Yung y squared is equals to x. Same with this part, diba? Kaya pag horizontal strip, kahit saan ka kumuha ng strip dyan, diba? Kasi kahit itong strip na to, diba? Pare-pareha siya. Still, yung nasa right mo, itong function na to. Which is yung, ay parehas, mali pala. Ito pala dapat. Ayan, sorry. Ayan. So, yung y squared is equals to 2 minus x, di ba? Itong part na to. So, it means consistent siya. Unlike dito, pag nag-vertical ka, yung strip mo nahati, di ba? Nahati sa dalawa. So, dito, sa part na to, mayroon kang function na y squared is equals to x. Then, pagdating dito, naging y squared is equals to 2 minus x. So, inconsistency ka ngayon. That's why, sabi ko nga, ang pinaka-the best na strip dyan na gamitin ay horizontal. Okay? So, yun na. So, yun yung tip of advice ko. So, always make sure na pipili ka ng strip na consistent yung function mo. So, pag nagkaganyan, so, palit ka lang. Kasi puputulin. Isang may ganong cases kasi. So, anyway. So, pag nag-solve ka naman ng problems, makikita niyo or you can notice that, guys. If you're always solving problems. Okay? Ayan. So, ito yun. So, ito pala yung ito, it should be here. Itong function na to is y squared is 2 minus x. So, mali ako kanina. Sorry, guys. Okay. Ayan. Yun. So, that's how you select also. That's another tip of advice when you try to select strips. So, ayan na. So, we select A, horizontal. So, it means, ang differential length mo ngayon is along y. So, dy ka ngayon, di ba? dy, this is x. So, it means, so, the area now is integrated from xr, diba? Minus x to the left, function to the left, dy. Integrated from, since horizontal yan, dy ka ngayon. So, that is c to d. Ayan. Okay. So, hanapin mo ngayon. So, sir, how do we find this intersection? So, hanapin natin ngayon to. Itong mga points of intersection mo ngayon na to. So, yun ang magiging so, hanapin natin to. Okay, how do you find that one? Waiting. So, we have to solve the equation simultaneously. Okay? So, it means, ito. Solve natin to. That is y squared. So, pwede mo pag-equate yung dalawa. So, x is equals to 2 minus x. Tawa ako. Then, we can transpose. So, it becomes 2 is equals to 2x. Then x daw is equals to 1. So, yun pala. Which means, intersection nito is x equals to 1. So, 1 pala to. Layo, no? Anyway. So, it means 1 pala. Then, how do you find the y value? So, i-back substitute mo lang dito. So, if you back substitute, so y squared is equals to 1. And since quadratic yan, if you get the square, diba? So, dalawang roots, plus, minus 1. So, it means pala, this one is 1 and 1. And this point is 1 and negative 1. So, yun. So, yun yung point. So, ang gagamitin mo ngayon, syempre, since horizontal strip ka, y-axis or y-coordinates, which is negative 1 to 1. So, yung xr mo, diba, yung rightmost portion mo, ito yung rightmost function mo, portion ng strip mo, which is, siya, ito, y squared is equals to 2 minus x. Okay? Then, yung xl mo naman, yung leftmost portion ng function, which is ito, which is yung y squared is equals to x. So, yun na. So, palitan mo lang siya. So, in terms of y mo lang. So, the area is the integral of c to d, that is integrated from negative 1, di ba? So, negative 1 to 1. So, xr, so, in terms of x mo lang. So, transpose mo lang to. So, 2 minus y squared. Talagang tinang. Tama. Minus XL. So that is y squared. Di ba? Y squared dy. So, ayun na. So, yun na lang yan. Integrate nyo na lang yan. So, you can distribute. So, simplify. Area is the integral from negative 1 to 1. That is, so 2 minus, so since parehas naman, 2y squared dy. Then, ano lang yan, simple integration na lang yan. Distribute mo lang yung integral sign. So, area is the integral from negative 1 to 1, 2 dy minus the integral of negative 1 to 1, 2y squared dy. Then, of course, the integral niyan, so, kanila ka siya. Anyway, so area is nasa likod. So, area is equals to 2y integrated from negative 1 to 1 minus, so 2. So, power formula, y cubed over 3 integrated from negative 1 to 1. So, yun. So, tayo sa likod. Yung pinakasya. So, yan. Negative 1 to 1. Yan na yung last function natin. Ayun. So, since tapos na, pwede mo nang i-substitute ngayon yung value. So, i-write ko lang ulit. Area is equals to 2y. Dapat pala ano tayo. Wait lang guys. Ayan, ito lang para is continuous. Ayan. Anyway, so i-write lang natin. So that is the area is equals to 2y. So integrate from negative 1 to 1 minus 2. Take of y cubed 3 from negative 1 to 1. So ayun, so substitute nyo na lang yung boundary conditions. So, 2, that is 1, y minus negative 1 minus 2 thirds, 1 cube minus negative 1. So, ayan. So, of course, 4 yan, di ba? So, negative 1 times negative 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 times 2, 4 minus, so 1, so 2 times 2, 4 thirds. Then area, so 4 minus 4 thirds, 8 over 3 square. And this is your answer, guys. Yun, ang dali lang. Diba? Very easy. So, ayun. So, ang importante lang dyan, malaman yung strip. So, kaya na nga. So, bakit di tayo nag-vertical? Kasi ito. Diba? So, may problem natin. Mahahati yung function mo. So, magkakaroon ka ng inconsistency sa functions. Kasi dito, sa left part, ang function mo, ito. Diba? Which is, anong function ito? Yung y squared is equals to x. Then, dito sa kabilang part naman ng strip, iba naman yung function mo. Which is, yun nga, yung y squared is equals to 2 minus x. So, magkakaiba. So, inconsistent pag nag-vertical ka. Unlike pag nag-horizontal ka, consistent, di ba? So, kahit saan ka kumuha, yung right side mo, ito, itong function na to, which is ito, y squared is equals to 2 minus x. Then, yung nasa left is yung y squared is equals to x. That's why horizontal pinili natin. Then, yun na. So, integrate yun na lang. So, in terms of x, di ba? So, yun. Right part ito, di ba? Pinaka-right. So, transpose 2 minus y squared. So, ito yun. Then, yung XL, so yun, y squared. Then, distribute nyo na lang yung integral sign tsaka dy. Yun. Then, integrate. So, power formula na lang yan. So, yun na. 8 over 3. Sir, how about we use the calculators? Of course, I'm not sure kung gumagana yung y. So, let's try to use y. Pero ako hindi ata eh. I'll try to integrate. So, kasi kung mapalabas natin yung sagot. Using calculator. Okay, sorry. Mali. Ayan. So, ang function mo ay, let's try to use y ha. Ito na tayo, dito tayo. Mag-proceed tayo dito. So, 2 minus 2y. Alpha y, sorry. Ayun. Tayo natin kung gagana. I'm not sure. 2y squared pala. Ayan. Yung squared pa. Kasi hindi siya gagana kasi dx ka eh. So, kailangan palitan mo talaga to ng x. Ayun. X talaga siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, sorry. Tok na. Ayan. 2 minus 2x squared. So, integrate from negative 1 to 1. Tingnan natin kung makukuha to. Parang hindi. Parang iba ata. Kasi naka-dy ka eh, no? So, hindi pala. Tingnan natin. Ano, I'm doubting. Ay, nakuha din pala. Parehas lang. So, yun. 8 over 3 pa rin. So, assumption lang naman ng ano yan. Limits. Okay? So, yun na. So, same answer naman. So, yun. So, 8 over 3. So, yun. Palitan mo lang. Hindi aari ang y kasi ang differential mo is along aging x lagi. So, palitan mo lang naman. So, you can get the same answer pa rin. Okay? So, yun na. So, that concludes our video for today. So, ang next video natin, proceed tayo sa volume. So, revolution na tayo. So, solids of revolution. Okay? So, tomorrow, i-upload ko yun, guys. Okay? So, yun. Thank you, guys, and God bless.